Did I just bury a plastic pitcher in my garden? Yes, I did, and it's quietly feeding my plants better than anything I've ever bought from a garden center. That $1 item is creating nutrient-rich compost tea underground. No turning, no mess, no fancy equipment, just steady, powerful feeding right where plant roots need it most. And that's only the beginning. Today's list is packed with brand new Dollar Tree garden hacks for 2026, including clever pest control, hidden watering tricks, and design ideas that look expensive but cost almost nothing. Every single hack is different, practical and tested for real gardens, not just for looks. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we turn small budgets into gardens that actually thrive. If you love creative, affordable solutions that save money and make your garden work smarter, you're in the right place. Take a second to subscribe so you don't miss any future hacks, and tap the like button if budget-friendly gardening is your thing. And before we dive in, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing how far the Timeless Gardening family reaches, and it helps this video grow just as much as your garden will after these hacks. Now let's go straight into it. Hack number 1. Irish Spring Soap Deer and Rabbit Repellent. If you're tired of waking up to half-eaten plants, this hack feels almost too simple to work, but it does. A single bar of Irish Spring soap can protect your garden from deer and rabbits for months. These animals rely heavily on scent, and they absolutely hate the strong smell of this soap. For garden beds, shred the bar, and let the pieces harden for a few weeks in a paper bag. Then scatter them around the perimeter. For fruit trees or larger plants, cut the bar in half, place it in pantyhose, and hang it directly from branches where the scent can travel with the breeze. What makes this hack so powerful is how long it lasts compared to store-bought repellents. Commercial sprays usually need to be reapplied after rain and can cost $15 to $30 a bottle. One soap bar can last an entire year on trees and through multiple seasons in the garden, saving money and effort at the same time. It's chemical-free, easy to refresh, and one of those old-school tricks that quietly outperforms expensive solutions. Hack number 2. Buried Pitcher Compost System. This is one of those hacks that makes people stop and stare when they see it in action. A simple plastic pitcher buried halfway into your garden bed turns into a mini compost system that feeds your plants non-stop. By drilling small holes all around the pitcher and adding kitchen scraps, garden waste and water, you create a slow-release source of nutrients that seeps directly into the surrounding soil. As the contents break down, they form compost tea underground, delivering moisture and nutrients straight to plant roots without smell, mess, or maintenance. What makes this hack so effective is how little space and effort it requires. It's perfect for raised beds, containers, and small gardens where traditional compost piles or tumblers just don't make sense. You can bury multiple pitchers throughout your garden to feed different zones, and the lid makes refilling quick and easy. Compost tumblers can cost $80 to $150, but this system does the job quietly for just a few dollars while improving soil health all season long. Hack number 3. Wave Planters, Rainbow Display. These wave planters are one of the most eye-catching new garden finds, and they instantly make any space look more polished. The modern wavy shape adds movement and texture, while the soft spring colors let you create a beautiful rainbow or ombre effect, just by lining them up from light to dark. They're perfect for herbs, flowers, or succulents, and they work just as well on a patio or deck as they do indoors on a sunny windowsill. Beyond looks, these planters are surprisingly versatile. Arrange them along steps for a tiered garden, line them up on a railing, or group them together to create a colorful focal point. Designer planters with this kind of style usually cost $15 to $30 each, but these give the same high-end feel for a fraction of the price. It's an easy way to upgrade your garden's look without upgrading your budget. Hack number 4. Garden Frog Statues as humidity helpers. These little garden frogs aren't just decorative. They're quietly helping your plants stay happy. When placed in a shallow saucer filled with water, they create a simple humidity station that benefits moisture-loving plants, like ferns, calatheas, and orchids. As the water slowly evaporates, It raises humidity in the immediate area, creating a more comfortable microclimate, without constant misting or special equipment. What makes this hack especially clever is the double purpose. You get functional plant care while adding a playful focal point to your garden or indoor plant setup. Adding a few pebbles to the saucer increases surface area and speeds up evaporation, making it even more effective. Humidity trays on their own can cost $10 to $20 and look purely utilitarian. But this solution blends care and charm for just a few dollars. Hack number 5: Mardi Gras Bead Solar Light Waterfall. This hack turns leftover party decor into one of the most magical lighting features you can add to a garden. By combining a simple wall candle sconce with a solar light and strands of Mardi Gras beads, you create a cascading waterfall of light that glows beautifully after dark. Once everything is spray painted in warm metallic tones like gold or copper, the pieces look cohesive and high-end, especially when the beads catch and reflect the light as they hang down. Mounted on a fence, shed, or tree, this setup creates an instant enchanted garden effect without wiring or electricity. It's perfect for defining cozy seating areas or adding a soft glow along walkways. Outdoor designer sconces with this kind of visual impact often cost $40 to $80. But this version delivers the same atmosphere for just a few dollars and a little creativity, making it one of the most dramatic budget upgrades you can do. Hack number 6: Wire Trash Basket Soil Sifter. This is one of those no-brainer garden hacks that saves time the moment you use it. A simple wire mesh trash basket becomes an instant soil sifter when placed over a bucket or bin. Pour old potting soil, garden soil, or compost into the basket, and it automatically catches rocks, roots, and debris while clean, usable soil falls through below. In seconds you've got refreshed soil ready for planting without digging through it by hand. What makes this hack so useful is how often it comes in handy throughout the season. It's perfect for reusing last year's potting mix, cleaning up garden beds, or removing unfinished chunks from homemade compost. Store-bought soil sifters typically cost $20 to $40 and take up space, but this lightweight version does the same job for a fraction of the cost and stores easily when you're done. Hack number 7: Planter Trolley Rolling System. If you've ever struggled to move a heavy planter, this hack feels like an instant upgrade. A simple planter trolley placed under your pot allows even the heaviest plants to glide smoothly across patios, decks, and indoor floors. It makes chasing sunlight effortless, helps with seasonal moves, and turns rearranging your garden into a one-hand job instead of a workout. This is especially useful for large tomato plants, citrus trees, or any container that normally feels stuck in one spot. The built-in wheels roll quietly and evenly, and you can even spray paint the trolley to match your decor if you want it to blend in. Plant caddies with the same function often cost $15 to $40, but this budget version delivers the same convenience without the high price. Hack number 8: Floral Branch Yard Stakes as Living Trellises. These decorative floral branch stakes instantly turn climbing plants into living garden art. Pushed directly into the soil of a planter or garden bed, they act as a ready-made trellis while adding color and structure at the same time. As vines grow, they naturally wrap and weave through the branches, creating a full layered look that feels intentional and styled from day one. This works beautifully for plants like sweet peas, morning glories, pole beans, and even lightweight flowering vines. Instead of hiding plant supports, this hack makes them part of the design. Decorative trellises with this level of detail usually cost $25 to $60, but these give you both function and visual impact for a fraction of the price, especially when grouped together for a bold statement. Hack number 9: Metal Garden Trellis as Drying Rack. This hack takes a simple metal garden trellis and turns it into one of the most versatile tools in your garden. Instead of just supporting climbing plants, you can hang it on a fence, shed wall, or garage and instantly create a drying station for herbs, flowers, garlic, onions, and even small hand tools. The metal construction allows excellent airflow, so herbs and flowers dry evenly without molding, and it won't rot or warp like wood. With a few S-hooks or pieces of twine, you can customize it for your needs, whether that's hanging bundles of fresh herbs or organizing garden gloves and hand tools. Beyond practical uses, This hack doubles as a decorative feature. You can weave fairy lights through the trellis for soft evening illumination, or use it as a display for hanging planters and small garden ornaments. It's a simple upgrade that adds function, style, and convenience all in one. Store-bought wall-mounted drying racks usually run $20 to $45, but this metal trellis does the same job, and more, while blending seamlessly into your garden space for just a few dollars. Hack number 10. Clear glass jars as portable terrariums. This hack transforms ordinary Dollar Tree glass jars into stunning portable ecosystems that you can take anywhere, and the possibilities are endless. Start by layering decorative rocks or pebbles at the bottom for drainage, then add a layer of moss, and finally nestle in a small succulent, real or faux, or other tiny plants. You can even add miniature figurines, shells, or themed decorations to create a woodland, desert, or beach scene. Each jar becomes its own tiny world, complete with textures, colors, and life, all contained in a neat transparent package that looks professional but costs almost nothing. What makes this hack so powerful is how versatile and functional it is. They make perfect gifts for friends or teachers, unique desk decor that doesn't take up much space, and educational tools to teach kids about ecosystems and plant care. You can leave them open for airflow or seal them for a humid microclimate, which allows you to experiment with different plant types and designs. Pre-made terrariums with the same charm usually cost $20 to $50, but this Dollar Tree version lets you customize every detail for just a few dollars. Plus, assembling them is relaxing, creative, and endlessly satisfying, making it not just a decoration but a fun project that brings your garden indoors in miniature form. And there you have it. 10 completely unique Dollar Tree garden hacks, each one entirely different from the last and all designed to make your garden more functional, beautiful, and budget-friendly. From repelling deer with a simple bar of soap to creating liquid gold compost tea with a buried pitcher, to transforming plain jars into living terrariums. Every single hack proves that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to make your garden thrive. The creativity and versatility of these 2026 products are truly inspiring. And the best part is that everything shown today, yes, all 10 hacks, came in at under $35. If you bought the equivalent retail versions, you'd easily be looking at over $450 worth of tools, decor, and garden solutions. Now it's your turn. Which hack shocked you the most, or which one are you adding to your garden first? Are you team functional hacks, like composting and soil sifters, or team decorative hacks, like floral stakes and enchanted bead waterfalls? Drop your answers in the comments. I love seeing your ideas, and it helps everyone in the timeless gardening community share inspiration. Tag a friend who needs to see these hacks, because trust me, these tips are worth sharing. And don't wait too long to grab these 2026 finds. Floral branch stakes, wave planters, and other hot items are flying off the shelves already. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the timeless gardening family. And make sure your notifications are on so you never miss a budget-friendly hack that makes your garden smarter, prettier, and more fun. Smash that like button if you enjoyed these ideas and want even more creative gardening solutions. And share this video to inspire friends and family to make their gardens thrive without breaking the bank. Remember, gardening is about experimenting, learning, and enjoying the process. And with these hacks, you get to do it all with creativity, style, and a fraction of the cost. Happy gardening, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video with even more timeless gardening magic.